You have already seen how to configure the IP address in the command line user interface, which was by default provided 192.168.1.1. We will be now configuring the IP address of the OpenSense using the web user interface. So once you go into web user interface, you will see here on left side all the networks which we configured. This is now configured on Proxmox, and I have created multiple interfaces there. So this wireless LAN is in fact my home network or LAN. So here on this particular LAN, the IP address which is configured is 192.168.1.1. So I'm right now connected on Wi-Fi. If you see here down, so right now I'm connected on Wi-Fi, which is wireless LAN. The Wi-Fi access point is connected to the physical port of OpenSense, and that port is in fact configured here. If I go back here to the overview, in overview you will see wireless LAN, and this wireless LAN is connected to one of the physical ports here. So what I'm going to do here, I will be going back here to wireless LAN now, and I will be changing its IP address, which will be 172.16.1.1. I will simply save it, but I will not apply the changes right now. Why I will not apply the changes? Because the DHCP range should also be changed first in order to make sure that I am not losing any connectivity. So I will go back here to services. DHCP service which is configured is ISC DHCP. In ISC DHCP, I will go to wireless LAN, and in wireless LAN you can see here that the available range is now changed. We have to change the range as well here. So I will be changing it to 172.16.1.100 to 172.16.1.200 maybe. Everything else will remain default. I will simply save it. I will be going back to the interfaces now, and in interfaces, if you see here wireless LAN, I can now simply apply the changes. The moment I apply the changes, now of course the DHCP is also going to restart, and the network is also going to change. Right now I'm connected on 1.1. Of course, once I have applied the changes, now the IP address has changed, so I won't be able to access using this IP address. New IP address, which is 172.16.1.1. You can see here that the IP was changed and the new IP is automatically assigned. So I will just simply proceed to it, and here now I'll be entering root and the password which was already there. So here we go. Now the IP address is changed, the interface wireless LAN, and you will see here that the new IP is already configured. And if I go back to the DHCP now, I will go to services, I will go to the ISC DHCP, and here is the leases. I show you here 172.16.1.101 Amjad Zenbook, which is my device. It has got the new IP address. So this is how you can change the IP address of the interface and the DHCP lease of the interface using the web user interface. Let us continue to next video now. We will look at other aspects of OpenSense.